So good afternoon, guys. Now I'm gonna make myself breakfast as every morning. I'm gonna use this. So there you go. Put the salami in there, and then use two of these sandwich stackers. So like that. In each one, nice and easy. That's it, and then put the cheese on there, like so, and then put this bigger sauce, nice and easy. So there you go, this special burger sauce I'm gonna put now. So like that, so. And then on the other one as well. That's it, and then just close it like that. Yummy burgers in the morning. I have good breakfast. So bon appetit, Amir. Bon appetit. So thanks for watching, guys. See you later.